Hello guys, it's me Jana. Yay! Today I'm gonna make Halloween cupcakes. Oh my goodness, let's get started. I'm going to make the gross one. Ooh, and the spider one. These are the ingredients. Number 1, unsalted butter. Number 2, icing sugar. Number 3, cold eggs. Bleh. Number 4, cake flour.
What is this?
Cocoa powder. The milk. And then we also need vanilla, salt, and baking powder. Let's get started. The butter in the bowl. Spike. But I want the pink one. Yeah, I will put this away. I always like the pink one all the time. Okay, butter, go in. Pew, 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 pew. Make sure the butter is soft. And then the next ingredient is the icing sugar. Ooh, I think we're making the ghost one. I am imagining that we're making the ghost one first. Yay! We're making the ghost one. Whoa, it's making so many smoke. It's time for the eggs to go in.
Wait until it is well mixed before add more eggs.
It's already well mixed. So fast, Noah! I'm gonna mix all dry ingredients first. This one, and this one, and this one. Ooh, it's getting really floury. And ooh. And the last one. I'm so excited. Come on out of there. Come on out of there. Vanilla and milk. Whee! Still dripping. Mix it well. And now we have the dry and liquid ingredients. We will add to the butter alternately. And first go with the dry ingredients. We don't need the Oh. 2. I'm gonna add 4 scoops. 3, 4. That looks like enough. And now I will turn on the mixer again. Go to a high. Ah. Do, 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 do. And now I will turn it back on. Last. Boo. Boo, 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 boo. Yeah, the chocolate batter is ready. It's time to put it in the cupcake mold. I will show you how the batter looks like. It's not heavy, but it's perfect for me to lift. Like that. I have lined the cupcake molds with the paper. Now it's time to pour the batter. Yeah, with the clean spoon. I will use this measuring spoon.
Mama bantu boleh?
Nope, I can do it by myself. Scoopnya agak banyak. The batter loves dripping so much. I swirl the batter to avoid air bubbles. I have preheated the oven 170 degrees Celsius for 22 minutes. Hooray guys, the cupcakes are done. But we have to wait until they are cold before we can decorate them. While waiting, I have prepared the decoration. The ghost head and the spider's head. That's the marshmallow. That's the Oreo. I gave 2 eyes on it. And I also already prepared the spider legs. I shortened one. I made it from chocolate. So these are going to be the cupcake toppers. I already prepared this one. Toasted up. Good.
How many cupcakes did you
5.
Are you sure?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! I was correct. I was correct. And now I'm gonna show you guys how to decorate spider cupcakes. Ada yang panjang, ada yang pendek. So many sizes. I will add 6 legs. Alright guys, these are the cupcakes. Okay, aren't they cute? I can't wait to eat it. It's not too bad, but it's yummy. Alright, see you guys on the next video. Hope you guys try this recipe and enjoy the cupcakes. Love you. Bye.